guys, today we are going to be making the Chrome game. If you all know that if you go online on Chrome, you get a game like this, don't you? So in this video, we are going to be attempting to make that in Scratch. So let's get started. So first, we all know for the dino game, we need the dinos. So which you can upload from the sprite. So after I'm done, I will just show you guys. Okay, coming back, boys. So I'm back, and while I was doing the dinosaur and the cactus part, I also made the backdrop. So do you like it? Doesn't look like a real one. I'm kind of bad at drawing, so yes, I think it's kind of bad, but it's fine. We don't need perfect. So now what we should do is now we have to make a coding for the cactus to go and this dinosaur to jump on over it. If you have that in the backpack still, the heights one, you can take this. Now look at this. If you jump right now, look, this happens. You can actually jump over it right now. Yeah, no lying, you can. But now let's make the real thing. This should come there and we should jump over it. How do we make that? Simple, very easy. So when green flag clicked, forever. Wait, you don't need this actually. Now I think of it. You need this, boys. Yes, this. What is this? This is the own green flag and red flag. If you only know what I mean. Let's change this one to the ones we are right now. So nice. We can still move it, right? Look. You don't need to do that. So basically this is not gonna move. The cactus is instead gonna move. So let's make that go for the cactus. Now our cactus is here. Let's remove this, add this, do hide. Now add a forever. To create my clone of myself. You see it, right? Now what we do is wait. Take this operators and pick random 1 to 3. So basically pick 1 to 3 seconds. Now let's pick 1 to 3 seconds. What do we do now is when green flag, when I start as a clone, show the clones. And then forever. We don't need this right now, so remove this forever. Change x by -5. So what does that allow us? That allows cactus to come and we jump over it. But now we have to make the points and everything. So first, what do? We make this 30 and this -3. So what happens is now you can do this. Now it jumps higher. Look, E, I, O. So now we can jump way higher. Right? So it's enough. But now this is so just so slow. So let's make this x -10. So now it's way easier. Look. But now when I think of it, I think we should make it 0.5 to 2.5. Look. Now it's kind of way harder, right? I think it's way harder. 0.5 to 2.5. It's way harder. So now what we should do? Wait, let's just try it out. What about 1.5? now it's like under 1.5 or 0.5. Okay, wait. This might be the one. This might be the one. This might be the one. What if we just did it to 0.5? 0.5 to 0.5. Okay, wait. 0.5 I think is too much. What about 1.b to 1.b? That's like 1 second you have to wait, so I don't think so we should do that. I think we should do 0.9 to 0.9. Is that better? That's way better. 0.9 to 2.5. Yes. That is way better. Now it's actually way possible. So now we have to make a code. So wait, change this go to x to 212. Yes, 212. Let's see. The cactus show. It's almost touching, but it's not fully touching. So nice. Now what we do is if then sensing touching edge, then what we do is delete this clone. Now it's deleting all the clones which touch the edge. And why is it not deleting that one? Because it's almost touching the edge, but not actually touching the edge. That's why the cactus is not like, it's not fully, like the clones are not being deleted. That's why. So now let's make this code. Let's make a new variable named as code, which can track all the score we need. So let's put it here and change score. This is height. We have to change score by 1. Let's delete owned x and owned y. So now what does that do? Allow us to make this type of game. So every time the clone gets deleted, a point gets added to. So let's do set score to 0 when green flag clicked. If we add that, this happens. But you guys may think this is almost, but there's no dying process of it. Yeah, we have to make a dying process where this literally gets demolished. So let's make it now. It's sense. So dinosaur. So you see cactus, right? If then touching the edge. So let's go to when I start as a clone. Let's take the same blocks, or maybe delete this and take the forever instead with the forever. So now you have this. Delete this and delete this. So now we only have forever if then touching. What if we do dinosaur? Now we have another thing. No, we don't need it actually. Start. What do we say? Start. Stop on. But now there's one thing. Have you ever seen game over? Then you have to like press it again so you can start it again. Let's make that too instead of stop on. So remove that. Let's go to the text and actually write this text. Saw it and it says game over in a pixel handwriting. So let's write game over. I think you guys can see it. Let's just delete this down part. So now it's way easier. Game over. Now let's write. Click the green flag to play again. So now you click the green flag to play again. So now what we have to do is click the green flag to play again. So now let's click the green flag and now we can start playing again. But the thing is that it's still there, like we want it, but we at the same time want it when we are dead. So we forgot to add this thing. You see where it is, minus 70. Put this on minus 70. Look, this is the part that we have to put on minus 80, minus 90. Nice, minus 90 is enough. When green flag clicked, minus 19. So go to minus 190. So now what do we do is actually give a broadcast saying, the broadcast will say game over. So now when I receive game over and when green flag clicked, hide, show, and ons are the last, stop on. So look at this now. We have a fully functioning dinosaur game which works properly, and if you die, game over, click the green flag to play again. Yes, click the green flag to play again. And I just realized the N is capital, so let me just change that to not capital N. Now that's way better. So play again. So you like it, right? So this is it for today. And if you like this tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see you tomorrow. And